Hey everybody, today we are doing something new. Well, to me, I didn't want to stay behind on these trends. We are doing the nature cereal. It's a TikTok thing from Lizzo. I just want to try this before this ice melts. I know ice was supposed to be the first thing I put. You know, the last thing I put on this, but let me just get to this. I already rinsed all this fruit. Okay. Pomegranate. I don't know how to spell this, but I mean pronounce this, so don't come at me. You guys know what it is. So let's put some of that. I need to cut my strawberries. I didn't cut that, so let's just do that before anything. Okay. I've been watching this on TikTok and I've been wanting to do, just couldn't find anything. Well, maybe strawberries, there's always strawberries at Walmart, but like the raspberries, the blackberries, I wanted to put it all. I didn't want to put just some of the fruit. I just wanted to try it with all the good flavors. So let's get to this. Shoot, if I like this, I'm gonna start eating this. Okay, let's get the strawberries in there. Okay, we got that going. Now, some blueberries. Blackberries. I just want a little bit of everything. Don't come at me. Seriously. Raspberries. All the berries. Okay. Let me see. Ooh, I got a full. I'll talk about just tasting this, but I got a full bowl of cereal. Okay, now the coconut water. I don't like coconut water, I'm going to be honest with you, but she does use coconut water on this. No, let's try this. I'll just do that much. Okay, we got the coconut water going. The ice, I put it first because I'm on the second floor. My studio's upstairs. So I had to pour the ice from the freezer. So we got this going. Just soak a little, just because I don't like the flavor of the coconut water. So let's get this. Berries, literally berries. So give it a flavor to the coconut water. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion because I know I've seen people saying, ew, it's not even good. How can they say it's good? Other people are saying, wow, they're wowed by it. So, again, they call this the nature cereal. And this was, I believe it was made by Lizzo. So, let's get this. I am going to see that. Yes, you can see all the berries there. Coconut water. So, let's get this. This is real good. The fact that you're giving more flavor to the coconut water. All the berries combined together. It gives it a new flavor. I would totally eat this every day. I honestly don't know why they add ice, but all the flavors together, you guys. You guys want to bite? It's real good. I can honestly tell you guys should try this. This by itself, the coconut water by itself, I don't like it. I tried buying one. Well, I bought one, put it in the fridge, you know, try to drink it, you know, cold. I don't like anything like in temperature room. No, no. It has to be cold, ice cold. No. I thought to myself, I'm not going to buy this again. Look at me now. Coconut water with all these berries combined together. It gives it a whole new taste. And I would buy it just for my cereal. I don't want to bite into ice, so I'm trying to move the ice to the side. I put a lot of ice in this. Scale of 1 to 10. To me, a 10. I do love it. I hardly taste the coconut water. I taste more than the berries, all combined together. That's why. they are saying, and I know you guys have heard about this, some people are criticizing this cereal, and they're saying that technically it's a smoothie, you know? You got the ice, you got the coconut water, you got the fruit. Why not do your smoothie and just drink it? Well, unlike some people, this is good too. I mean, you don't have to do a smoothie in order for you to eat it. I mean, if you want to be chewing on your fruits and adding everything, it's the same thing. I think this is good. And anybody can fall in love with it. If you like your berries. I know a lot of you guys do love coconut water. Some don't, and if you don't, just like me, I'll be honest, this is good. You can honestly say this is good. Coconut water with all these berries. Add some ice so you can, you know, have it chill, you know, cold. You don't want it room temperature. So, don't matter how you eat it, as long as you do. Look at me, I'm almost done. And I was just gonna try it. Trying to get juices. Trying to run around the ice. But if it wouldn't be for TikTok, I wouldn't know about all these good stuff that they do. Come on now. Trying to get some juice in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is so good. I feel like making me another ball. Not gonna lie. This is good. All the inside of my mouth is cold. I'm so glad I got into this. Excuse me. Whew. You got me full. Oh, you guys should try this. I'm not joking. Some of you guys might say ew. You can't say ew if you don't try it. Try it. Nature cereal. Created by Lizzo. You guys are gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Anybody, you guys, like any social media you guys are in. Don't forget to share this video. This is an awesome cereal that you guys will love to taste. I am not kidding. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.